Hello, this is me, Drake, and I'm going to show you how to make money using my voice.
In today's video, I will be showing you a complete strategy to make money using AI covers. We will be discovering an AI tool that can change any song to any voice you want. And in the end, I will be showing you how to make money with it, so stay tuned. Let's first try this tool and assess its quality. Go to the link provided in the description. Once you're there, create an account. If you don't know how to create an account,
God, have you been living under a rock?
once your account is ready, click on Try Now to create your first cover. This platform offers a wide selection of artists to choose from, almost any artist you can think of. You can use the filters to narrow down your search for specific artists or even choose their nationality. I'm going to try using a female singer as an example. Once you've selected the artist, you need to copy the music URL and paste it into voicestars. Then, click on Fetch. After that, agree to the terms of use and click Convert. This tool will transform it for you in less than 60 seconds. It's incredibly fast. Now let's listen to the original one and compare it to the transformed version.
About me, as long as I got you for good enough. You like to see me tripping.
You like it when I'm tripping on you. Yeah, yeah. You like it when I'm falling on you. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I don't really give a fuck what they say about me, as long as I got you for good enough. You like to see me tripping over you. Yeah.
That was pretty impressive. The AI industry is actually the future, make sure to take advantage of it. Now let's try another singer for the same song to see the difference. I'm gonna choose Adele. Let's hear it. Now if you like the voice, you can click on the download icon. In here, you have different types of download. You can either download the a cappella only or instruments only or both. Now let's upload a song from our computer and see how it's gonna be. I'm going to choose a male artist for this one, like the great Kanye West. Then, drag and drop the song from your computer. Afterward, accept the terms of use again and click Convert. Let's hear the original first, then the AI Kanye West version.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
That was pretty impressive. Now, to use voicestars, you will have to buy some credits. You can start with 25 credits for $9 to test it out. But if you want to take this seriously and start making money with the methods I will be showing you, I recommend you to go for the premium plan and get unlimited conversions for $20. Now, let me show you how to make money using this method. We are going to create videos to attract attention through social media platforms, and then we will monetize the audience using the voicestars affiliate program. For example, this TikTok account uploads 2 songs every day, and it's getting very good views. For us, we will use very famous songs and change the artist, then upload them to a TikTok or YouTube Shorts account, and finally put the affiliate link in the bio. When people recognize that the artist's song has been changed, they will want to try it for themselves. Now, let's pick a famous song. Obviously, I will be using non-copyrighted music because I need that AdSense money from the video you are watching right now.
You're gonna make me rich.
You can choose any song you want for the affiliate method because this music isn't even monetizable. I'm gonna select this 8-year-old most viewed song here. Now let's generate the song with 3 different artists. First, I'm going to use Kendrick Lamar.
And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Then Drake. And lastly, Michael Jackson.
Finding life along the way, melodies we hadn't played.
Now, let's edit all of these into a short-form video. For this task, we'll be using CapCut, although you have the option to choose any editing software you prefer. CapCut is an excellent choice because it's both free and easy to use. Once you've imported the songs, begin by dragging and dropping them into the editing sequence. To create a seamless and engaging video, start by cutting out any sections where there is no singing. Then, divide the video into smaller segments, each dedicated to a specific artist. For example, allocate the initial 4 seconds to Kendrick Lamar, followed by Michael Jackson, and then Drake, repeating this sequence as necessary. You have the creative freedom to adjust the video's length, but make sure it remains under 1 minute to maintain its short and captivating format, which will hold the audience's attention and deliver an impactful video experience. Now, go ahead and get artist images from Google to use them. If you have a Mid-Journey subscription, I would suggest that you generate some AI-generated images of these artists. Anyways, import the images into CapCut. Then change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, start resizing the pictures for each artist. For example, when Kendrick is singing, you put a picture of him and do the same for the others. Make sure to resize them so that they fit the whole screen. After everything is set, add some transitions between every picture. I would suggest using the right and left transitions, and the shake one is also good. After that, click on the first picture, then go to animation. Click on combo and apply an animation for every picture. Feel free to choose whatever fits your style. Let's see how these animations look. Now, add some effects. Start by adding the clear filter and resize it to fit the whole video. After that, go to Effects and scroll down. Add some effects of your choice for every picture. Then, add the humble effect and resize it to fit the whole video, and you're good to go. Let's see the final results.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
voicestars also has a great upcoming feature called Artist Licensed Voice Models, allowing people to generate revenue from their conversions. You can purchase a commercial license and publish your song on streaming platforms. Be sure to take advantage of it when it becomes available. That's it for this video. Make sure to check voicestars by clicking the affiliate link in the description and click the subscribe button.